Hello, very good morning to everyone, dear. Yesterday, dear, we have already learned how to add integers. Okay, how to add integers. Question number 1 and 2 we have already finished. Today we are going to start our third question. What is given third question? At Srinagar, temperature was -5 degree on Monday. How much? Temperature on Monday -5 degree, and then it dropped. Drop mean less. Okay. Then it less by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. Okay. It's very simple. Today temperature is suppose 21 degrees Celsius, and another next day the temperature is decreased or less or drop is 3 degrees Celsius. So what is temperature on Tuesday next day? 21 minus 3 degree. So how much it is? 18 degree Celsius. It is or not? Same as it is in this question here. Look at it. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? So we have to find what was the temperature on Tuesday. So first we write here temperature of Srinagar on Monday. How much? -5 degree Celsius. Everyone know or in integer on a number line 0, 1, 2, 3. Right side is positive and left side negative. Understand? Same as it is here. Whenever come in the question, rise mean positive, dropped mean negative we will take. Same as it is up mean positive and down mean negative we will take. Okay, down negative. Understand or not? Whenever increasing come we will take positive and decreasing come we will take negative always. Okay, and everyone know next day temperature dropped on Tuesday. How much? 2 degrees Celsius, and drop is it means minus, so it is -2 degree Celsius. Now what was temperature on Tuesday? So temperature on Tuesday, it's very simple dear. Today temperature is 10 and next day temperature is 2. What is the total temperature? Total always we will find plus. So total temperature is 12. Understand or not? So same as it is temperature on Tuesday, how will you find? Temperature of Srinagar plus temperature dropped on Tuesday. So temperature of Srinagar -5 plus it is and bracket. Always whenever negative sign we will write in bracket. Temperature dropped on Tuesday. How much? -2 df. Understand? So we will write it minus positive into negative. So how much it is? 7 degree Celsius. Understand or not? And otherwise you can find by the number line also. In the 6th class we already learned -6 -7. Temperature on Srinagar how much? -5 it is on Monday. And next day how much drop? Drop means less. Less is always left side and that side positive increase. So left. So how much dropped? 2. So 1, 2. So how much temperature on Tuesday? -7. That's why dear we write, because always total things. Okay. Always total mean what was temperature on Tuesday we will add them. But whenever come drop we will take negative. Below negative. Left side negative. Decreasing also negative. Okay dear. So note down it. Same as it is dear. One more thing is given in this question. On Wednesday it rose. Rose means it rise, increase. So you will write temperature rose on Wednesday. How much rose? Rose means increasing. Now we will take positive dear. 4. Now temperature of Wednesday. How much? How to find temperature of Tuesday bracket plus temperature of Wednesday. Okay, you can write yourself now. Temperature of Tuesday, everyone, we already find. Sorry, it is -7. No? I did not write minus sign. -7 degree. Both are same sign. Whenever same sign, we will add them 5 plus 2, 7, and put the sign negative sign. Now, temperature of Tuesday, how much? -7 plus temperature of Wednesday, 4, and 4 is positive. No need to bracket. And now, one positive, one negative. Different sign always dear. Subtract. Subtract 7 minus 4. 3 and put the sign greater to -3 degree Celsius. Otherwise, you can measure by number line also. It is 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, and it is -7. Okay, dear? It is -7. And on Tuesday, temperature -7. Next day, how much increase? 4. And increasing mean right side 1, 2, 3, 4. Understand or not? But this method we learn in 6th class. But now we are in 7th class. Now we are in higher class. So we will not use this one. Okay? We will solve by this one. Okay? So note down it, dear. Okay? Please. Now, dear, question number 4. What is given? A plane is flying at the height of 500 meter above the sea level. Suppose it is our sea, okay, and it is the level of the sea. It is the surface of the sea, okay, and above. How much above? 500 meter above the sea level. It is sea level and above 500 meter. At a particular point, suppose it is a point, it is exactly above a submarine. Submarine is always, submarine is used in sea water, okay? Floating, how much? 1200 meter, 1200 meter below the sea level. It is sea level, it is in water. Below, it is above, it is below. So always height of plane above the sea level 1500 meter, and depth mean below of the submarine. Always what I told you in integer, above positive, below negative. Sea level is -1 to 2. Understand? Now it's very simple, dear. If it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I ask you what is distance between 4 and 2, so how will you find? 4 and minus, suppose distance between 4 and 1, not 2, and it is. So what is distance between 4 and 1? So always distance when to find? Greater minus smaller. 4 minus, and what is second number? 4, first number minus this. Same as it is height of plane minus depth of submarine. So the distance between them, so 5, so it is 5000 minus dear, and depth is minus. Understand or not? So same as it is 5000 negative into negative, positive 1200. So how much? 6200 meter. It is your answer. Other, you can see in the picture also the distance between there. Okay, so look at, so note down it dear. Now we will do next question. Okay, now next question dear. Mohan deposit in the question, Mohan deposit 2000 rupees in his bank account. How much deposit? 2000 in his bank account, and withdraw 1642 rupees. Okay dear, and from the next day, if withdrawal of the amount from the account is represented by negative. Is negative, it means when we are taking the money from the bank, it is represented by negative, and if we are depositing, it means positive. So it in the question, what is So we have to write negative. Then how will you represent the amount? How will you represent the amount deposit? So you will write only one line. You have to write, we will represent deposit money by positive number. Understand here? Next is, everyone know 2000 is deposit positive, and withdrawal how much? How much dear? 1642 negative, because withdrawal is represented by negative. So we have to find the balance. Find the balance Mohan's account after withdraw. So how will you find? In the starting, how many? You will do yourself. So how will you? And always total, how will you find? By positive. Yes, very simple dear. Today you have 10 rupees and tomorrow you spend 2 rupees. How much is left? So you will write 10 plus minus 2. Why? Because spending always representing by minus. Total rupees always we will add them. So 2000 plus and 1642. So 2000 positive into negative, this one. So solve yourself, okay? You have to do yourself this question. It's very simple question. Now next question dear. Now dear, question number 6. You can see Rita goes 20 km towards east from a point A. Rita is there, okay? Rita goes towards east from a point A. So A to B. From a point A to B, she moves how much? 20 km. From A to C goes 20 km. Next, from B, from the point B, she moves towards west. So first C goes in east, and after reaching at B, C goes towards west. How much? It is minus 30. Not minus 30. Look at, it's 30 km towards west along the same road, by the same road. Next is, if the distance towards east is represented by positive, if we are going on right side, on east is positive, so it means west is represented by negative. So you write distance traveled towards west is represented by negative. Okay, now we will find what is the represent the final position from A. So what we will write? So Rita first goes towards east, how much? 20 meter. Rita goes towards west, 30, and because in west direction we will represent by negative. Understand? Now final position from point A dear. And final position always how to find? By adding them or not. So like distance traveled, how much distance you traveled? First you traveled 5 meters, then you 10 meters. So how much? 5 plus 10. 10 or not? So distance traveled in east plus distance traveled in west. So distance traveled in east 20 plus, and distance traveled in west minus 30. Okay? So you will find 20. Positive into negative, negative. Understand? So it will come minus 10. Minus 10 means from the here she goes on that side, left side. Okay, and left side is negative. So it means from the how much? So it is, you will write 10 meter. Okay, because distance always in. Understand or not? So note down it dear, please. So note down it dear, minus 10. Okay, now we will do next question. Now question number 7. What is given there? In a magic square, it is a square given. In each row, column, diagonal have the same sum. It is a magic square if each row, each column and each diagonal have same sum. Okay, what is row? These are row. First row, it is first row, second row, third row. Column, first column, second column, third column. Diagonal, first diagonal, second diagonal. Okay, so sum of first row, so it is so 5 plus minus 1 plus minus 4. Understand here? So you can solve it. You can solve it. 5 minus 1 positive into negative, negative. Minus 1 plus minus 4 minus 5. How much? It is 0 dear. Same as it is second row. Minus 5 minus 2 plus 7. Minus 5 minus 2 minus 7. Minus 7 plus 7 0. Third row 0 plus 3 and minus 3. How much? Again 0. Sum of the first column, this one. 5 minus 5 plus 0. Again 0. Second, minus 1 minus 2 plus 3. How much? 0. Now minus 4 plus 7 minus 3. Minus 4 minus 3 minus 7. Minus 7 plus 7. It is also 0. It's very simple dear. Okay. Sum of first diagonal. It is first diagonal. It is first diagonal dear. 5 minus 2 and minus 3. So it is 5 minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 0. Next is sum of second diagonal. It is second diagonal dear. Minus 4 minus 2 plus 0. So minus 6 plus 0. How much? Minus 6. It is magic square. No. Or first row, second row, third row, first column, second column, third column, and first diagonal sum is 0 every time. But in the last it is come not 0. It is come minus 6. Minus 6. Because magic square in what condition? When each have same sum. But here is the different sum. So you will write no. It is not a magic square. It is not a magic square. Okay. Same as it is. Second part you will do yourself. It is very easy. Second part you have to do yourself here. Okay. Please note down it. Now question number 8 dear. Verify a minus and minus b equal to a plus b for the following value of a and b. Verify mean dear, we have to prove that a plus b is equal to a of a minus and again minus b. So what we will do? First we will take a minus. So we will write first left hand side we will take. Okay. A minus of minus b. We will find how much? It is a. A is how much? 21. Negative. Minus b. We have to do not b. We have to b and it's a minus dear. 21. Negative into negative. Positive. How much? It will come 39. Same as it is. Right hand side. How will you find? What is? A plus b dear. A plus b. A is 21 plus 18. So you will write 39. So right hand side equal to. So you will write next. Left hand side. LHS means it is left hand side. It is right hand side. Is equal to RHS. Understand? So we have already verified. Yes? Yes? So you can write. It is your answer. Same as it is. B part, C part and D part. You will do yourself. Understand dear? So you have to do yourself. Note down it. Okay. Now 9th question. Now question number 9 dear. We have to use of sign greater, less or equal in the box. So first we will solve it. Positive, it is also positive. Positive into positive. Positive. Now look at minus 8. Negative into negative. Always everyone positive. Next is 1 positive, 1 negative. Different sign always. We will subtract it. 8 minus 4. 4 and put the sign greater number. Minus 1. Next is 1 positive, 1 negative. Again different sign. So it is 4 and minus 4 and minus 4. Equal or not? Yes. So it is sign equal. Very simple dear. Okay. Next is that this one. 39. Positive multiplication by negative. Always negative. It is negative. It is also positive. Yes. If any number we will write, it means it is positive. And if we will write use sign, it is negative. Negative into positive. negative. This one. 36. Positive into negative, negative. Negative into negative, positive. Now you can solve it. 39. It is also negative and it is also same sign. Always we will add. Minus 24 minus 15. It is 39 and put the sign greater number. Next is here 36. 36. One is positive, it is negative, it is positive. Different sign, always subtract. So 52 minus 36, 16 and put the sign greater number. It is 0. Now 36 minus, it is 20. So which one is greater? 20. So it is symbol. Understand it? Same as it is. Other parts you can do yourself. Understand here? Note down it please. Next question here, very important. Question number 10. A water tank has step inside it. So it is a water level. It is a water level, okay? Water level. This one. A monkey is sitting on the topmost step. The water level is at a 9th step. How many total step? Water level at 9th step, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the 9 steps. But monkey is sitting is here on the topmost step, on the first. He jumped step down. He jumped step down and how many? He jumped 3 steps, dear. He jumps 3 steps down. First 3 steps down. Monkey is on here. 1, 2, 3. So monkey is on the first jump, reach here, and then jump back 2 steps up. So first monkey jump down 3 steps, again 2 jump, again 2 jump, 1 and 2, again here reach. Understand? In how many jump will he reach the water level? It is water level, okay dear? So in how many jump? So everyone know dear, he is on the first end. So we will let step move down represent by positive. Now you will ask, sir, why downside is positive? Because dear, monkey is there. So that side we want to go on our destination. So it is positive. We will take downside positive and up is negative. And step up be represented negative. We will write, okay. Now monkey was, where is monkey? Monkey was topmost step. And where is the topmost? Topmost step is the first step. Yes, it is the first step. You can write, okay. Now, and everyone know he jumped 3 steps. In the first jump, so after first jump, monkey will be in the starting. Where is? In the at first. And how many jump? 3 steps. 1 plus 3, because downside is positive. So he will reach at 4th. 1, 2, 3. So monkey is reached here. And after, now again he jumped, then jump back. So after second jump, monkey will be at step. So after first jump, monkey is reached at 4, but again back. Back mean minus we will take. Understand or not? Because one thing you have to remember, jump, when we are jumping, it's mean positive, and when we come back, it is negative. That's why we write downside positive and upside negative, because upside he is coming back. So again, so after first jump, monkey will reach here, and again back 2 steps. So 2 steps mean negative 2. So he will reach at 2. 1 and 2. Now monkey is there, okay. In the third step, monkey will be at, so he jumped 3 steps down, then jump 2 steps up. In how many jump will he reach water level? So now again he will jump how much? In 3. 1, 2, 3. After, so how much? 2 plus 3. Now monkey is reach on 5. After reaching 5, he will jump again back. How many? 2. He will reach here again. So 5 minus 2. He reach on 3. Now monkey again will jump from the 3 to 3 jump. 3 to 6. 3 plus 3. How much? 6. Again monkey will back. Is here at 6 minus 2 jump. 4. Again after 4 it is at 3. You can see in picture also. Okay. So now 4 plus 3. It's very simple. Now again he jump back. 7 minus 2. 5. Again he will jump again. So 5 plus 3. 8. Again he will 8 minus 2. 6. Now monkey is at here at the 6th step. After 11th step. Now he is at here. So 6. He will jump here. 6 plus 3. 9. And what we want to, in how many jump he will reach at water level? So water level at, where is water level? At a 9th step. So after how many jump? After 11 jump. 11 jump. After 11th jump. At the 9th step. Okay. So we will write in the first part. You will write after 11th jump monkey will be reach at 9th step. Understand here? It's very simple dear. Again starting from here, he reach here, again here, here, like this one. Okay. So note down it dear. Now we will do second part. Okay dear. Now during second part is opposite, because now monkey in the first step, in the first question we know monkey is already reach here at the, it is water level. Okay. The monkey after drinking the water, the monkey is there, and after drinking the water monkey want to go back on the first step, but there is a one more process. Jump 4 step up. So now monkey is there. Okay, monkey is here and he step 4 jump here. 1 2 3 4. He will reach here. So jump up. So monkey is taking jump, so we will write it positive. It means now up, step up we represent now positive. Okay, and again he back, he jump 2 step back. So here we monkey in the first step reach here after 2 step. 1 2. He again come here. So step. So if he step back, so it will be step move down will be negative. Now opposite here. Okay. So now monkey was at step which one? Now at a 9th step. So after first step, after first jump, okay, after first jump monkey will be at step. So he is now at 9, and how many? He jumped 4 steps. So 9. So we will take up mean. Now we will take so down will be represent negative. Same as it is. Okay. So you will write positive and negative. So you will write. No need to note down also if you don't want to write. He is that 9th step. So how many? 4. 1 2 3 4. No need to write. Okay. So it means in the starting upside negative and downside positive. So 9 minus 4. How much? He will reach at 5. After 5 he will down 2 steps. So 5 plus 2 7. Now again 7 to 4 step. 7 minus 4. He will reach 3. Now again 3 plus 2 5. Now at 5th you will find yourself. 5 minus 4 it is 1. So after how many jump? 1 2 3 4. After 5th jump monkey will reach at a first step. You will do yourself. Third question you have to do, third part of 10th question you have to do yourself here. Okay. Thank you everyone. Have a good day and nice day.